Stop building your shop the wrong way. The secret to a perfect tiny woodworking shop isn't cleaning. It's making everything disappear. I can take my entire 8-foot workbench and break it down into 4 perfect modular pieces in under 2 minutes. If you run a small operation, making your tools and work surfaces completely modular is the ultimate idea to optimize every inch of space. This completely changed how I work. Want to see exactly how I built the rolling, heavy-duty storage underneath this beast? Follow me. Need a ready-made plan for your shop? Check out my custom designs on my Etsy shop. The link is in my bio.